Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Luba, and on this channel I talk about tech and life in Silicon Valley. And in this video today I want to share my story of how learning how to code completely changed my life. And in this video I will also share some tips that no matter what career and field you're in, you can apply to your own life. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. I started learning how to code when I was already 20 years old, which to some might seem like too old, but it definitely is not. And within a year, I was already working as a software engineer at one of the top tech companies in Silicon Valley. And the whole experience completely changed my life. Let's back up though. I'm originally from Belarus, and when I was 17 years old, I moved to Canada to study engineering, chemical engineering specifically, at one of the top engineering universities in the world, University of Waterloo. I participated in chemistry olympiads and conferences when I was back in my home country, so I decided to study something related to chemistry. Fast forward 2 years, I decided that I needed to make a career transition because chemical engineering wasn't exactly what I expected it to be. So I stumbled upon coding, and some of my friends recommended me to take online coding courses on Codecademy, and I guys absolutely loved that platform. This video is not even sponsored by Codecademy, and I wish it was because I talk so many nice things about them. Hey Codecademy, sponsor this video if you're watching this. But anyway, Codecademy was extremely interactive, and I was just learning HTML and CSS, but I got totally hooked, and that made me look at coding differently and think, I need to try to learn more about this. So I moved on to Coursera, another online learning platform, which is incredible, to continue learning coding more in depth. And then I took, I believe, Python classes. And I actually am gonna link another video that I've made on the best online platforms to learn coding. So if you guys wanna check it out, definitely do so. Fast forward 6 months into starting to learn how to code, I moved to San Francisco for the first time to work as a software engineering intern at Yelp. And that experience has completely put my life on a very different trajectory. When I moved to Silicon Valley, which San Francisco is a part of, I was amazed and so excited by being surrounded by so many smart people, people who were interested in a variety of different subjects, who definitely made me feel like I wasn't the smartest person in the room anymore, which is a great feeling to have, by the way, because that pushed me to learn and grow so much. And coming from Belarus, coming from Canada, again, Waterloo is a very small town. I've always wanted to be in a more vibrant and rounded city, so I absolutely loved San Francisco for its weather, for its people, for such an innovative community of folks in there. I then had an opportunity to work on the biggest Canadian hackathon in the world, Hack the North. I went on to work as an engineer at Airbnb, one of the top tech companies. I then started a collaborative fraud community, which now runs an annual conference as well. And most and foremost, I also started this YouTube channel and this incredible community that I'm so grateful for. Learning how to code has allowed me to have the freedom to reflect on my own choices, to look internally, to figure out what is it that I want, what direction is it that I want to go into. I've met so many amazing and incredible people that I can now call my friends, and I just in general have grown and learned so much as a person and as a professional, having worked on so many impactful projects. Since about a year ago, because I am very much into reflecting, I'm very much into looking again inside to see if you're moving into the right direction, I decided to move on from being a software engineer to first being a chief of staff and now working as a product manager. And again, I think that I had that opportunity because I took that step to really put myself out of my comfort zone and learn something that was so completely different from what I was doing before, which was chemical engineering. So no matter where you guys are right now, no matter which step in your career, step in your life, stage in your career you're in, I want you to take away a few different things. First and foremost, I strongly believe that you can learn absolutely anything that you want. You know, my decision was to learn how to code at the time. Now I'm learning completely completely different things, like even learning how to start your own YouTube channel, or if you want to learn how to do design or how to paint or how to sing. We are so lucky to live in the world where we have access absolutely free of charge to knowledge that is accumulated on the internet. And you should totally take advantage of that, and you should very strongly believe in the fact that you can do it and you can learn whatever you want to learn. Second of all, I want you to frequently spend time reflecting on your own decisions and choices. Are you excited about where you are? Are you excited about things that you're learning? Do you have a strong idea of that North Star that you're moving towards? And is whatever you're doing now allowing you to get there? That is incredibly important. And this actually brings me to my third point, which is you should take great care of yourself, because you ultimately are the biggest asset in your own life. So whether it be taking good rest, eating good food, feeling like you are fulfilled by the people that you are surrounded by the things that you're learning, all of that is incredibly important on your journey to becoming your best self and becoming happy and fulfilled with what you're doing. In terms of tech, I think that tech is extremely full of opportunities. So if you guys want to learn how to code, or if you want to learn how to be a UX designer, definitely take the time to do that and enter this exciting and new field that I think will only continue growing more and more. And my last point, last but not least, is that if you want to learn anything, any skill, all you need to do is to put your mind towards it and work hard and believe in yourself, believe in that you can learn anything that you want to learn. And on that note, I would like to wrap up this video. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a like, smash that like button, it's right down below. And I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day as always. Bye for now.